by Dr. Kris Shrishak when Brussels proposed the world's first cross-sector AI regulation in April 2021. It claimed it protected fundamental rights and encouraged innovation. Fundamental rights may not form the basis of this regulation in 2023, writes Dr. Kris Shrishak. A coalition of French, German and Italian governments has proposed that companies self-regulate artificial intelligence systems such as GPT that can be used in a variety of applications. This proposal is result of November 9 opposition against regulation of such artificial intelligence systems in Artificial Intelligence Act. This push for self-regulation in the EU should not be seen in isolation. This new proposal follows a series of small steps that are disappointing but not surprising for lawmakers. But EU's flagship technology regulation, Artificial Intelligence Act, was based on self-assessment from moment European Commission proposed it in 2021. One step forward, then one step back? Companies can self-assess whether high-risk AI systems will meet their requirements. They can voluntarily provide information and manage risks, even if there are serious problems with high-risk AI systems. They only have to inform regulators under narrow circumstances and can easily avoid liability. It would be hoped that European Parliament and EU Council would recognize issues arising from self-assessments. Instead, they took it one step further. They created provisions that allow companies to decide whether their AI systems are high risk. In other words, because the AI Act only regulates high-risk AI systems, companies can decide whether to regulate them. European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen. Do you speak robot? Looking his invention at the AI Xperience Center VUB in Brussels. February 2020. AP PhotoStephanie Lecocq Besides self-assessments. There was another loophole in the European Commission's 2021 proposal. She only considered AI systems that had an intended purpose. Already in 2021, evidence was accumulating of harms from AI systems without predefined purposes, such as GPT-2 and GPT-3. However, the European Commission did not address these issues in its proposal. However, in November 2022, ChatGPT, built on top of GPT-3, was launched and its harms were widely reported in popular media. The European Parliament set the rules for such artificial intelligence systems in June this year. These rules were further modified by Spain's Council presidency in October to November. Lawmakers appeared to have reached an agreement on regulating these AI systems until France, Germany, and Italy objected. Free rides for those who break the rules. The governments of these countries have now proposed compulsory self-regulation through codes of conduct, with no sanctions for violations. How does compliance with a rule become mandatory if there is no sanction or sanction? So why would any company follow these rules? This will encourage the deployment of harmful and poorly tested AI systems in the